we're still working with the collar here. So I pinned right where they want you to stitch, from here to here, stitch from here to here, and then stitch from here to here. That's exactly where they want you to stitch. Again, I'm a beginner, so this is the first time we even doing it. So we're just gonna do exactly what the pattern says. I'm gonna go ahead and get the little sewing machine up here and stitch it. So I'm stitching the pieces together so that this is the outside and then the inside is in here, right in there, right in there. So that's what it said to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here, lay it flat. Let me see, and it says to stitch right where the other one is. So I'm gonna just go right in here. There's the dot. Go right in there and stitch it. Go ahead and put my presser foot down and stitch right where it says to stitch at. And if you put the pins right where you're supposed to stitch, you know not to stitch here because you didn't put no pins there. So you won't start sewing and then forget like, hey, I wasn't supposed to stitch right there. And then go to your trusty old seam ripper and take it out. Oop, it just hit the pin. And then back stitch it. Okay, so just go ahead and do this, and then let's see what the other one says. It says to stitch right in between these dots right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put presser foot down and stitch right there as well. This one is really little, so maybe like 3 little stitches of back stitching, and that's it. And then I'm back here again, and then just 3 little stitches of back stitching. And then bring it up. Then always looking at my bobbin to make sure there's thread in it, because you can get carried away. Okay, and then this one the same. Put the needle right on the thread, pull it out, put the presser foot down, and then I'm feeling to make sure everything's nice and smooth on the other side. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one now. Ooh, almost lost the. Here we go. And then this is the end, so I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, I lifted up, it hit the needle. Now let's see what happened. There, it was just the needle. Back stitch, come back out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the pins out and then turn the material over and finish reading the instructions, and I'll see y'all in just a minute.